Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to enable the Preview Pane in Windows 11 so you can read documents, view PDFs, and check spreadsheets without ever actually opening them. This is a massive time saver for anyone managing large amounts of data, as it allows you to peek inside a file instantly just by clicking on it. First, open File Explorer. At the top of the window, click on the View menu. Click Preview Pane. If you can't find it, hover your mouse over Show at the bottom of the list. You will see a new empty column appear on the right side of your folder. Now, simply click on any Word document, text file, or image, and its content will render immediately in that right-hand panel. If the pane is too small, you can hover your mouse over the vertical line separating the files from the preview and drag it to the left to expand your view. And that's it. You're now navigating your files like a pro. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.